that is not entirely right. Malaria is not caused by the mosquito, it is only transmitted by this vector. Malaria is caused by the organisms belonging to the genus Plasmodium. And what are these organisms? Well, they fall in the next category of microbes that we will be learning in this video. The third category of microorganisms, these are called the protozoa. As the name suggests, proto stands for primitive, while zoan means animal. Wait a second, are we saying these are organisms primitive to animals? Yes, they are unicellular in nature. However, the single cell has highly complex functions. Hence, they are also referred to as the pinnacle of unicellular complexity. So what do you think will be their structure? Well, they have a typical eukaryotic cell structure. Thus, the nucleus and the membrane-bound organelles form an integral part of the cell. Many of them possess food vacuoles which are used to store food. And these cells do not have a cell wall. Are there any more special features? Many of them have additional features like cilia or flagellum for locomotion. Cilia are these tiny hair-like structures which are present throughout the body. Flagellum, on the other hand, is usually a slender long filament which is single or rarely multiple in number. Now this was their structure. What could be their nutrition type? Here we are referring to whether they are autotrophic, that is self-nourishing, or heterotrophic, meaning they cannot prepare their own food. We know that these cells are like animal cells and have mobility. So do you think they will be autotrophic like plants? Of course not. These are heterotrophic in nature. Yes, they are dependent on other organisms as their food source. Only a few rare exceptions include the chlorophyll containing euglena. It usually performs photosynthesis, but others lack the capacity to do so. Many organisms belonging to the protozoan group are well-known parasites. They derive nutrition directly from the body of living organisms. So they do not kill the host, but do harm them severely. A few commonly known examples of protozoans include amoeba, euglena, paramecium, and the disease-causing Plasmodium. This was about the third category, that is the protozoa.
Other algae have more than 2 flagella. This cell has 8, inserted into a deep pit. It normally swims very rapidly and had to be slowed down to have its picture taken. Large protists like paramecium swim rapidly using hundreds or even thousands of flagella, or cilia as they are usually called. They are very agile as they search amongst the pond debris for food. Beating of the cilia is coordinated, and the direction of beating is reversed when the cell changes the direction it wants to go.